Welcome to the Random Wednesday Question Series 4, Episode 9. Now, Nick won't be back till next week, so standing in, we got the beautiful Alex Jones from The One Show. Woo! Go on, do your catchphrase.
Congratulations, your bid was successful. You have bought a second-hand red canoe.
Yeah!
Congratulations, your bid was successful. You have bought a second-hand red canoe.
Yeah, but don't keep doing it, it gets boring. Okay, here is the question. I'm a big fan of Mary Berry from the Great British Bake Off. Is it true you once interviewed her on The One Show? One babba bib ba ba ba, one babba bib ba boo ba, one babba bib ba boo ba, one.
This is Mary, and I had to spend an entire episode of The One Show covering up the fact that she'd been sick on me.
That's horrible. Too many cakes, probably.
She was abandoned.
She does look a bit smelly.
So little Mary comes on the show and we want to rehome her. We gave her lots of treats because she was on television. She came to sit on me and then the treats all became a bit much. Under the lights, mess.
One babba bib ba ba ba, one babba bib ba boo ba, one babba bib ba boo ba, one.
Excuse me?
What?
This is the ladies.
No, it's not. It's the onion room. It's where we keep the onions.
Get out, you pervert.
When's Nick back?
Congratulations, your bid was successful. You have bought a second-hand red canoe.